I've noticed most businesses take a while to get the leads and then send it across and write a template and then send it to them. I've created a Google Maps scraper that does it in like less than 5 to 10 minutes for you. But isn't that pretty neat? So this what it has. I've got like a list of 20 real estate companies in Bangalore. So it gives me the ratings, the phone numbers, websites, and many more. So using this Google Maps scraper that I created with the help of actually a person called Chase AI that I follow, who's an AI automation and expert and specialist on n8n. And he inspired me to kind of build this. Once I saw his video, I wanted to build it by myself. So I created something similar to his, and here it is. So thanks, Chase AI. So what this has is this is just a form that you need to fill with the keyword. Then there's a Google Map scraper which is with SERP that I've used in this case. And you just need to fill up a few things here. And if you go to SERP, it'll tell you exactly how it needs to be done. So once you have that, I've created a code to it to kind of like see how I want it to be onto my Google Sheet, which have certain columns, which will be in position, title, rating, reviews, prices, phone numbers, and so on. So it'll come into all of these, and then it gets updated onto my Google Sheet, which is very neat, right? Which is just right here. And once this is done, we have a duplicate node to just duplicate all the ones that we don't need. Then we have Tavily to do some research about that website and the company using the company URL. Then the AI agent does actually write you a personalized and a draft email depending on what and who you wanted to send it to. So it would be the company name, company description, company URL, and I would say based on this, write me maybe like a personalized email that I can send to this particular individual. That can be one. And then any more. You can even do it for a job, which I'm currently like showing here as for testing purposes. So I've asked it to also create an icebreaker because we want to just give like a short lines on what that company does and how we can actually help that company. Or if we are looking for a job, how I as a person can help the company and many more. So just scrolling down a bit more so you can take a look at it. And yes, you can have multiple lines over here that you want to do. You can also put, I've asked it to just make it very short. Didn't want it to be too long. And yes, so here we can see the output is that it gives us three different subject lines for testing purposes, which is good. Gives us a full email body with a short icebreaker at the same time. This is actually great. And then it comes straight to our mail by like draft. So this is actually ideal. Like you don't need anything else. So let me just execute the step and show you in my draft mail. And yes, we are back. So here you can see, right? It gives us a subject line. We can test it out. Icebreaker, a short icebreaker that we need. And then it tells you about yourself that you can have it. And that's about it. Isn't this very neat? It's super simple, very easy to use. It's not complicated. We can all do it. And I would like your feedback on this to see if you guys have done it. What do you guys think about it? So, hope this was useful. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you until next time. Pranav Automates.